What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cohen's RV Thrills. We're doing a video here on the 2026 Forest River Impression 301 ML. This is a very nice, small fifth wheel. We're just gonna go under here first so that I don't get rained on and we can show off a feature. We got your spare tire back here and battery box and a little bit of storage here in the front. And you've even got a little work light over here if you want to do some see some stuff while you're outside at night. Over here you have your the propane area. Lock this up, and you've got let's see, this opens like this. Right here you've got storage, you pass through storage, and a bunch of your water connections over here, like outdoor shower, winterizer valve, and city water, fresh water, black tank flush, and even a little light right there. And you've got a bunch of satellite hookups right there too. This RV takes 50 amp service, and you've also got your 60K BTU tankless water heater. Right here you have your sewer outlet connection for gray and black water. I can see my breath. It's actually kind of cold out, but I'm actually surprised I can see my breath because it's raining. We have a 2-inch towing receiver and a 4-pin connection with a 3,000 pound tow rating and 300 pound hitch rating. Lipper on-the-go ladder connection and backup camera connection. Jeez, this highway is loud. You've got an awning over here on this slide, and you have an awning over here, so you get 2 awnings on this unit. You also got some nice tires under there. And this has the extended season package and the heated and enclosed accessibility, so it makes it easier to get under the RV and access stuff, and it also keeps it away from critters and other stuff that you don't want under your RV. Also, you have GFI ports and low point drain is down here under the belly. You also have your satellite hookup there, and in here's the other access to the pass-through storage, but I'm wet enough as I am, so I'm gonna go inside, wipe off my camera. Well, if it does it, let's see. It has a little bit of rain on it. There you go. Okay, I hope you guys can see a little bit better without the raindrops. On my screen, I've got several raindrops that just landed on it, but you know what, stop yapping, Cohen. Okay, you have 2 reclining chairs that also are glider chairs, so that's nice. And you have your table over here with your chairs. You also have this really cool storage desk. So it's got drawers here. You can, if I move this cute little skiing moose for a second. And that truck just honked. You've got storage under here, which is kind of nice. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. There you go, little moose. And down here you also have this really cool shelf that also lifts up, so you can have desk space to put your chair. You also have a dishwasher, which is kind of interesting. You don't usually get a dishwasher in RVs, but that is super cool. You also have the multifunctional sink with the cup bidet, a soap dispenser, removable faucet, extendable faucet head, and a little waterfall feature. Here's all your interior and exterior cool features. Right here you have storage. Got some drawers right here. And a little bit of storage for like a spice rack or something. A nice window out on the back. Also, you have a massive oven. This is not residential, it's just a bigger oven. And you also have a little drawer down here to put some stuff. And a residential size microwave with storage above. I can reach it now, I'm not short anymore. You've got a Furrion AC unit up here. Also, you have a cool chandelier above your table. You've got a pull-out pantry next to the fridge. And the fridge is also a residential size refrigerator. Give me a second to open this thing up because it's got this lock on it, and that helps to keep the fridge doors closed while you're going down the road, because nobody wants to have their food getting flung out of the refrigerator and the doors flying open. You've got a little wine rack up there. So here's the fridge side of the fridge, and you also have the freezer side. And this is also a residential size refrigerator, if I didn't mention that earlier. I'll put that back in a minute. But yeah, I don't have other stuff to yap about while I put that back in. But that was a drawer, obviously, and you also got some storage under there. This is kind of like your little coffee hutch area, and you've got some storage above too. And right here is your entertainment system. So you've got this TV can be a 50 to 54 inch, so that's kind of nice. And you also have hidden pantry inside. What? So you open this little latch, then you pull it open, because if that weenie little pull-out pantry wasn't enough for you, this'll do it. But if it's not enough for you, what are you putting in your pantry? You've even got a light here. Yeah, I don't know what, like who would put so much stuff in their pantry that plus that wouldn't fit it. Who are you? Also, you have a fireplace down here with some removable Bluetooth speakers, so you can take them around your campsite if you want, put them on a golf cart, drive around. Also, above the couch here, you've got more storage. Oh wait, that's one unit itself. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. Also, this is a trifold sofa, so it can turn into a bed when you need it to be. You can have like extra sleeping space. Okay, I think we're done in here. You have your, this is for the AC unit over there that we looked at a second ago. It's your AC controller. You also have your control panel for your awnings and your slide outs. So that would be the two slide outs that are in here and the two awnings outside. You also have lights, so it's for the awning and main. So the main lights are this one on the left, awning lights are the one on the right. And you also have your water pump, water heater, and tank heater. So yeah, and you can also check your tank and battery levels right here, so that's nice. And your on-demand hot water controller is right here too, so that is like on-demand hot water. It's long-lasting hot showers, so you don't have to, your water does not go cold as fast or ever. You also have a fan up here in the bathroom and a porcelain toilet. So porcelain toilets always come standard with all impression RVs. Doesn't matter which one you get, from their smallest to their biggest. It's always a porcelain toilet. You also got these cubicle storage units on the side, and this nice sink right here, which is stainless steel. You also got storage and plumbing access, and a backlit mirror. Pretty cool. And let's see, over here in the front of the RV is the bedroom. So you get a reclining bed, so it's the Versatilt bed. You control it from this little switch, and your slide switch is right here too, and your light switch is right here as well. So that's nice. And yeah, let's see. Oh, thermostat is right here, and that goes to the AC unit that is right here in your bedroom. You also got USB, USB-C, and GFI ports right there, and I believe there's some on the underside of the bed right there. So you get outlets on either side of the bed, super nice. And washer dryer prep inside this area of the closet, so they can go right here if you want them to, or you can stack them. But you also have a hanger bar in here, so you can have hanger storage and some little motion sense lights. That's nice. And you just latch this up for travel. And you also have the timeout escape window, which is my term for the emergency exit window. It's funny. You also have a little bench there and plenty of drawers in here for folded clothes. So that's the RV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get this RV for yourself for the best price in America, please visit thrillsrv.com or visit us in Columbia City, Indiana, where we are right off of Highway 30. So yeah, come visit us. And if you can't visit us, we can always do cross-country shipping for you guys, so it doesn't matter if you're in Maine or California, we will get it to you. Or if you're in Canada, we'll get it to you. Because, I mean, we actually have shipped an RV to England before, so that just goes to show we can do shipping. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Happy camping. Bye.